In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple dates as pages in Notion. If you're new to Notion or just looking to make better use of its calendar feature, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can efficiently organize your schedule and projects. First, let's begin by creating a calendar database. If you're not familiar with Notion's structure, think of databases as a powerful tool that helps you organize and visualize your data. To create your calendar, you can start from your Notion dashboard. Simply click on the option to add a new page. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with various database options. Choose Calendar from the list. This will set up a calendar view database, which is visually appealing and incredibly functional for date-related entries. Now that your calendar database is ready, let's move on to adding dates. Click on any date on the calendar. This could be today's date, tomorrow, or any future date you wish to use. After selecting a date, Notion immediately creates a new page linked to it. This page is where you can write details specific to that day. It's customizable, so feel free to add notes, tasks, or any media that would help you stay organized. Should you want to add multiple dates, you simply repeat this process. Click on each date you're interested in, and Notion will continue to create new pages for each one. You might find it helpful to think ahead about which dates are important to you, be it for meetings, deadlines, or personal events, and add those as needed. An important tip to remember is that each page, while initially blank, is designed to be personalized. You can add templates, insert checklists, or build tables within these pages, tailoring them to fit your plans or projects perfectly. As you continue, you'll notice how this method increases the utility of your calendar. Each date acts as a fully functional page, helping to keep your thoughts and plans clearly organized. Also, syncing up with other members, if you're working on a shared workspace, will enable them to easily view and add to your scheduled dates, while making collaboration seamless. I hope this walkthrough helps you take full advantage of Notion's robust features. It's worth spending a little extra time getting organized at first, as it saves a lot of effort and confusion later. Feel free to explore more of what Notion can do. It's a versatile tool that adapts well to whatever project or planning needs you have. Thank you for joining me today. If you have questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Keep experimenting with Notion, and soon you'll uncover even more ways to optimize your workflow. Enjoy your newfound calendar setup, and I'll see you in the next video.